Hey YouTube, this is jbaybayjbaybay, and today I'll just teach you how to fix this error with Siri Proxy. If you close Siri Proxy and then try to reopen it, you get this error. So to fix this, it's really simple. What to do is just type ps-a, and then you have to just look in the list until you see Ruby. So in this case, my Ruby is numbered 1818. So I just type sudo kill 1818, hit enter, and then when I do the startup, you can see it's back running. So I'll just show you, like, so that you have it running, you close it, while it's still running, and you try to reopen it again. It's right there. Okay. So it doesn't work. Another way to do it is just type sudo kill all Ruby. That's another way that does it. It's much simpler. If I do it again, it works. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed. Please don't forget to rate, comment, subscribe. This is jbaybayjbaybay.